I stood out of my house with my toddler, my groceries, and 0 keys way more times than I would like to admit. And that's when I realized a normal lock just isn't enough anymore. So I replaced it with a smart lock. And here is what changed. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am reviewing a smart lock by Aqara. And this is the U400. Let's get started with the detailed review because I cannot wait to tell you all the details about this one and to show you the installation process, of course.
I didn't think a smart lock could actually change how I move through my day. I thought it will be one of those things you install, play with it for a week, and then completely forget about it. But after living with this one for 3 weeks, I realized something. I stopped thinking about keys entirely. And that's the real test. I'm in and out of the house constantly, carrying groceries coming back from trips, packages, carrying my toddler to the daycare, from the daycare, sometimes coffee in one hand and phone in another. And every single time there is that small friction moment where you juggle everything around just to unlock your door. That's the problem I wanted to solve. And that's what led me to this, the Aqara Smart Lock U400. What makes this one different is how it unlocks. It doesn't wait for you to do something. It reacts to you approaching the door. It uses UWB technology, which means it understands presence, direction, and intent. I paired it with my Apple HomePod as a thread hub, and when I woke up with my iPhone, or even with my Apple Watch. Yes, it even works with Apple Watch. That's amazing because, you know, not every single time I have my iPhone in my hands or in my purse. Sometimes I leave my iPhone in the car and I need to go back and grab something from the house as I take my baby to the daycare, and I only have my Apple Watch on my hand. So that was a big lifesaver for me. Well, once again, as it sends the iPhone or Apple Watch around, the door will unlock automatically. No tapping, no taking the phone out, no bringing your wrist with the Apple Watch closer to the lock, no touching anything. Automatically unlocks itself immediately as it sends one of your Apple devices. How amazing is that? And now guys, I didn't just trust that. I actually tested this lock. So test number 1 was reliability. Over 3 weeks, I paid attention to whether it unlocked when I approached naturally, hands full with stuff, my toddler around. As long as I walked toward the door normally, it unlocked smoothly every single time. The only thing is that sometimes you do need to bring your Apple device a little bit closer because it has to be really like around the lock. It feels noticeably faster and way more precise than any other Bluetooth-based smart locks I've ever used before. Test number 2 was battery life. Aqara stays up to 6 months per charge. After 3 weeks of daily use, including UWB unlocking, Fingerprint unlocks, and the Keypad entry, the battery is still well above 80%. I also tested charging it through the USB-C port without removing the lock, and it kept working normally while charging, which I really appreciate. Test number 3 was unlock speed across methods. Fingerprint unlock is nearly instant. Apple HomeKit tap with my phone or Apple Watch works immediately and before I even reach my hand to the door direction. The touchscreen keypad responds quickly as well. Remote unlock through the Aqara app was fast and reliable when I tested it from outside the house. Now, what I really like is the flexibility. You're not locked onto one way of entering. Of course, you got the keys as well, so you can use the traditional old-fashioned method of using your keys. And by the way, the key lock is super cute and nice and aesthetically perfect, I think, hidden. The design is just pure perfection. I truly like it. So now, as I said, I truly like the variability of things. You're not locked into one way of entering only. You get Apple HomeKey, Fingerprint, passcode, app control, voice assistant, NFC option, and a physical key. If one method fails, the others are still there. And this is how smart home tech should feel. Under the hood, this runs on Matter over Thread, and that matters way more than people think. Thread is faster, more stable, and more powerful efficient than Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It also means the lock can work across Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Home, and Home Assistant as long as you have the proper Thread controllers. In my setup, the Apple HomePod handles everything quietly in the background. For security and durability, it's BHMA certified and rated IP65 waterproof for outdoor use. We had weather swings from 75 degrees down to 15 degrees here in North Carolina, plus rain, plus snow, plus ice, and it hasn't missed a beat. I also like that the physical cylinder is rekeyable, so you can change keys without replacing the entire lock. Now guys, let's talk about the app. Inside the Aqara app, you can enable auto lock, which I absolutely love. You literally simply closing the door and it's immediately auto locking your door. How awesome is that? And now, of course, since you can change the auto lock time up to 30 minutes. I also like night latch mode, where only admins or physical keys work at night, and a do not disturb mode as well. If you already use Aqara cameras or doorbells, you can unlock directly from the live video feed, which actually feels practical and not gimmicky. Now for a couple of honest downsides. The UWB feature requires specific Apple devices and a Thread-enabled hub, like a HomePod Mini or HomePod 2nd generation. One quick note on UWB. Right now it's available for Apple users, but Samsung devices will also support UWB very soon. So if you're not already in the Apple ecosystem, you won't get that experience. And the Aqara app offers a lot of customization and automation, which is honestly great, but it does take a bit of time to learn everything and to set up all the customization that will work specifically for you, of course. So is it worth it? Well, after living with it for 3 weeks, this is one of those upgrades that disappears into your routine in the best way possible. I don't think about keys anymore, and I don't think I can live without this lock anymore as well. I just walk up to my door and it opens. I mean, no fingerprints, no codes, nothing. Well, buy it or not is your decision. I have simply shared my personal and honest experience with the Aqara Smart Lock U400.
So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Let me know, what do you think? Would you buy it? Would you not? And if you wouldn't, then why? And if you would, then why as well? Let's talk, let's have a conversation. Let me know, what do you think? And I'll answer. I always answer to all of my comments if they aren't mean, of course. Well, I don't have the type of comments. All of my comments are really nice. Thank you so much, by the way, guys. So guys, please be sure to check this U400 Smart Lock by Aqara. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other useful possible information that you can ever need, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. And who do not want to save money? I only want to buy with discounts because I hate paying the full price. So guys, it's definitely so very worth it to check out the description box down below to this video of mine. And that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.